The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, western Walton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Conyers, Covington, Loganville, Social Circle, Oxford, Walnut Grove, Between, Jersey, Georgia International Horse Park, Bold Springs, Windsor, Youth, Big Haynes Creek Park, Brick Store, and Gum Creek. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inch to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't heed your outlet encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.